Hello everyone and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. Today we're out here at our local campground. We're going to be spending the weekend here camping. So we're going to take a look at this pop-up trash can from Household Essentials. I'll show you how to use it as well as some of the benefits versus just using a plastic garbage bag. Let's take a look. In the past, we used to just set up a plastic bag such as this outside because you don't want to be going in and out of your camper all the time and tracking in all the dirt. But this works fine, but it'll fill up with rainwater and dirt, and sometimes if the wind gets too strong, it'll blow it away. So we decided to go ahead and get this 13-gallon pop-up trash can from Household Essentials. What's nice about it is it's convenient size when folded up. Has a couple grab handles on both sides, and it has two straps. You just unhook one on each side. And now your trash can is ready for use. This is a heavy-duty tarp type material. It has a zipper on the top so you can close it up at night so rain and everything doesn't get inside. And when you're finished with it, you can zipper it back up and it just collapses back down. It's all just wires spring-loaded inside. You can use it just as it is, but we like to place a convenient 30-gallon trash bag that fits nicely inside of here. It's the same size as our garbage can at home, so it works perfect. We don't have to go and get any extra bags. It's a little bit tricky getting it around from the start because of the springs, but it can be done. Now when you're throwing all your trash inside, you don't have to rinse this out at the end. You can just go and pull your bag out and haul it to the dumpster. When your trash bag is full, simply pull it out. When you're done with it, close the lid back on it, zipper it back up, squeeze it back together, and attach these little clips here. They just slide through. They're little loops with a little button on the end. Do the same thing on the other side. And now your compact pop-up garbage can is ready to be stored in a nice, small, convenient space so it doesn't take up any storage in your camper, because like most of you know, when you're camping, you already have way too much gear packed, and you want to try to get things as small, as compact as possible so you can fit everything inside. If you guys do a lot of camping like we do, this is a must-have. You can keep it outside. No more going in and out of your camper, tracking in dirt, just to throw away a little bit of garbage. And at the end of the night, you can zipper it up so the coons and other animals don't get inside. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.